Another India versus Pakistan contest is upon us. It is not cricket, but in the world athletics, it is the javelin throw final that will be staged on Thursday at 3:30 p.m. in Japan. Neeraj Chopra has reached the final of javelin throw as well as his Pakistani counterpart Arshad Nadeem. Neeraj on the day of the qualification threw 84.85 meters, whereas Arshad threw 85.28 meters. Neeraj qualified in the first attempt, Arshad qualified in the third attempt. So it will be these two India-Pakistan competitors on the field of javelin who will be seen at the World Athletics final. After the Paris Olympic Games, they haven't been seen in a field together after the Paris Olympic Games, since the Paris Olympic Games last year. Also remember, Neeraj Chopra is defending his title as a world champion, which he won 2 years ago in 2023. It is important to tell our viewers that Neeraj needs to improve on his performance significantly to be able to defend his title. While Neeraj threw 84.85 in the qualification field, Anderson Peters of Grenada threw 89.53, almost 4 meters more than Neeraj Chopra. However, Neeraj said that he is feeling great for the competition. He feels that he is in top shape. In fact, since the time he has started working with Jan Lesny, who is a javelin legend, Neeraj made some technical adjustments, and he's saying that those technical adjustments are paying off. He has been able to cross 90 meters this season. So, of course, that is at the back of his mind. So tomorrow, competition will go higher than this. For India, it's heartening news that Sachin Yadav has also qualified for the final of javelin throw. There will be 12 men in the field of javelin and the competition will be intense. So watch out for Neeraj Chopra versus Arshad Nadeem, India versus Pakistan on the javelin field. Of course, apart from them, there will be many other exceptional javelin talents to watch out for.